Retractor, please. Okay, very good.
Promise to not stick.
Oh, wait a minute. Go get my tablet. Trevor, go get my tablet. Here, I'll hold this. Go get my tablet. We got to turn on the EKG. Over there on the chair, please.
We're doing turtle surgery.
Okay. Hold that. Hold this. We got to turn on our EKG. I better not record my numbers here.
It's 1848.
Oh, don't say that. You just gave away my passcode. All right, where's my EKG? Metronome. Oh, wrong way. We are cooking at 80 beats a minute. We're cooking here.
All right, now we have our turtle now has a heartbeat that we can monitor. All right, time to make our first stitch.
Let's stitch them up.
Just don't stick your kid.
Cute, right? Oh, come on, needle. Be good, needle. Oh, come on. Real needle holders would be grand, but okay, forget that idea. the needle keeps rolling in there. All right. First stitch placed at 11:17 or 17:11. Okay, we are looking at Zulu time.
I'm not exactly sure how this is going to turn out. My video keeps kind of bouncing a little bit.
All right.
So I'm not sure why.
It's gonna be
Bear the knot.
pretty soon.
Oh, come on. It's a problem with suture material.
That's not actual suture material, is it? That's just regular string.
It's sewing thread.
Oh, okay,
We're pretending.
that's right. Sounds like the heartbeat's doing steady.
Yep. Is he breathing well, Spencer?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Okay.
He's all asleep now. He's gonna be fine.
I'm waiting for you to say ow.
He's under anesthetic. He doesn't go out.
No, you.
Oh, me? I don't
Oh.
stab myself.
Well, you've done this before.
Oh, come on.
The heartbeat's doing good.
Gotta adjust your light there, buddy, so I can see you.
Dad,
Yeah.
if he stops breathing, he had to pause it and I will do that.
You gonna do some CPR
Gotta
on
do
him?
shell compressions.
I hope he's okay.
He's doing good so far. I haven't heard that heartbeat falter at all.
As long as my battery on my tablet doesn't die, we're good. Dun,
Ooh,
dun.
we're getting close. We're nearing the end.
I'm doing the motion of the patient's mom.
You are, huh?
That's quick surgery. Going on 4 minutes. Don't go this quick. You forgot to do a COVID test.
As far as I heard, no turtles get COVID.
You never know. Could be a symptom.
So, if he's gonna die, he's dead.
Good grief. He's still beating. He's not dead.
I could bump him up a few times to give him some stress.
I don't have any syringes for pretend crash drugs. Up here.
He's starting to panic. Oh,
He's starting to wake up. We gave him some more anesthetic.
it was just a hiccup.
I need more light. He's
Okay, I wonder how many people pick up on that one. Aziz, light. What? Do what?
Always around that foot.
You want to change the heartbeat? Hang on. Let's see.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, he's really picked up the pace here. What's this one do? Yeah, that's even better. I like that one.
Oh.
He lost a lump in there somewhere.
He's panicking.
He's on a 4.8 something.
Oh.
Now he's kicking.
Oh no, we're losing him.
Let's see what this one does. Well, that slowed it down a bit. Okay, we're back to normal. We added a second beat in there somewhere.
He's acting normal now. He's now back to sleep.
So what are you doing? Tying it off?
High enough.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Well, hold the light so we
Hey.
can see it.
He's
They kick you out of surgery if you don't hold the light right. I'm assuming.
Do what?
I'm assuming they would kick you out of surgery if they can't see the light.
Yes.
What?
Surgery is success.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! No more hole in the turtleneck.
yay!
Another satisfied surgery yet.
No surgery.
Stuff